Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable broth cubes. First, you'll want to gather your fresh vegetables and herbs. Then, we'll simmer these ingredients to create a flavorful liquid. After straining, the broth will be ready to freeze into convenient cubes. This method ensures you always have homemade broth on hand for your cooking needs, adding depth to any dish with ease. Selecting the right ingredients is key to a delicious broth. Start with a classic mirepoix of carrots, celery, and onions for a balanced foundation. Fresh herbs like parsley and thyme will enhance the aroma and taste. Remember to avoid cruciferous vegetables, as they can make your broth bitter. Thoroughly wash and chop everything to ensure even cooking and flavor extraction. Now let's get cooking. Place all your prepared vegetables and herbs into a large pot and cover them with cold water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, avoiding a rolling boil, which can make the broth cloudy. Let it cook for at least 1 hour or up to 2 hours to fully develop the flavors. Finally, strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, pressing the solids to extract every last drop of liquid. Once your broth is strained, it's time to prepare it for storage. Make sure the broth cools completely to room temperature before freezing. Carefully pour the cooled liquid into ice cube trays, filling each compartment. Freeze the trays until the cubes are solid, usually about 4 hours. Then, pop out the frozen broth cubes and transfer them to an airtight freezer bag or container for long-term storage. They're perfect for adding to recipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.